Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. Have you left your Christmas shopping too late? Do you want to save some money on your Christmas shopping? Do you want to save nearly 50% or more on Amazon products? Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so if you're watching this, you've probably got to the point where you've messed up Christmas shopping, you've done basically nothing, and you're panicking and you're looking for some advice, some deals, and you want to save some money. So, first thing you want to do is head over to vipon.com, that's Vipon.com, and you can save 50% or more, and even sometimes get free stuff from Amazon via Vipon. Now, Vipon is a coupon or discount company which works in association with Amazon throughout the world, UK, US, Canada, etc, etc. Basically, you can check on the side of the Vipon site and see if there's an Amazon that will fulfill your needs. So basically, most of the things you can see here can be bought on Amazon for 50% less than their normal retail pricing. So whether you want a drone, some earpods, a fitness watch, even night vision goggles, security cameras, Bluetooth speakers, even mobile phones. Doesn't matter what it is, at some point there's going to be a discount that is going to be suitable for you. So let's head over to the computer and let's try and get some bargains today. Right, okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to Vipon. So open up your internet browser and in the address bar type in vipon.com. And here we are, this is the Vipon site. Now in the top left hand corner you can choose your region. At the moment it's defaulting to the US, but you've got options for Canada, UK, DE, France, Spain, Italy and Japan. So you've got all those options available to you. I'm pretty sure one of them is going to be available to service your needs. So we're going to go on to Amazon UK because that's where we are. Now these things are fulfilled by Amazon, so you don't have to worry about Vipon being a unknown company or anything like that. Literally, they're just going to offer you a discount code which you can put into your Amazon basket to buy these things at a discount. So when you go straight in, first of all you get the instant deals or current deals. So you've got things like USB keyboards, gloves, vitamin C, basically anything you can think of. But if you can't see it listed straight away, there's a search box in the top right hand corner where you can type in what you want. Now I really feel the need for a disco ball in my life, so let's get ourselves a disco ball. Disco ball and hit search, and there we go. Luckily there are two disco balls available. Now one of them's a USB one which looks a bit weird, not kind of liking that, but that one has got a mains plug on it and it's remote control. That looks right up my street. Normally it's about £9, currently 50% off at £4.49. So that looks great. So what do we need to do? Click on Get Coupon. And this is the bit where you have to log in or have an account with them. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Google account, which if you've already got a Google account set up on your computer, nice and easy to do. Okay, so that's taking us back to the site. So let's have another quick search for that. So disco ball. Obviously, if you've got an account set up already and you've got this set up in your browser, then when you go in, it'll remember who you are and you'll have no problems at all. So there's our disco ball. So let's have a quick look at the description. So it's a disco ball, 3 watts, 7 colors, etc, etc. Looks pretty cool. We like that. As you can see, I've already requested this previously. So let's copy and paste that code. And now we can open that in Amazon. And all we need to do is sign into our Amazon account as you would normally. And there we go, you can see the price at the moment is $8.99. So let's add that to the basket. And now we can go in and edit our basket. Oh, and I've got quantity 2 because I've already added one previously. So let's change that back to 1. And we can proceed to the checkout. Choose your delivery address and your payment method, and here we can add in our code, which I think is already added actually because I had it previously in. So yeah, basically the code's in there, promotional code of £4.50, taking the price down to £4.49 for a disco ball. How mad is that? So that's going to be a Christmas present for somebody, probably myself. So we use that payment method and buy now. And there we go. Simple as that. order placed, we've got 50% off, we've got a nice disco ball coming to us, and there's so many other things that we can buy. Now, we have bought things already on Vipon, so we know it works, it's not a scam. Literally, they're just offering discounts to buyers on Amazon, and it's in conjunction with sellers who are trying to get rid of some stock or create a promotion. So, that's been Vipon. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully you can save some money too. Thanks for watching.